The Serengeti, where nature unfolds in its purest form. A land of boundless horizons, teeming wildlife, and one of the most diverse ecosystems on Earth. Many know the Serengeti for the Great Migration and the famous Big Five, but there's so much more. Today, let's take a deeper dive into the hidden wonders of this extraordinary landscape. The Serengeti is home to some of the most formidable predators on the planet. Imagine this: over 4,000 lions, 500 cheetahs, and nearly 7,500 hyenas roaming these vast lands, each playing their part in the delicate balance of life. But it's not just the big cats. The African wild dog, once thought extinct in the region, is making a comeback, a true testament to the resilience of nature. Beyond the drama of predator and prey, the Serengeti Plains sustain millions of animals, wildebeest, zebras, and gazelles, forming some of the largest herds on Earth. The Salai Plains even hide the rare oryx, a ghostly figure in this golden expanse. Venture into the Serengeti's woodlands, and you'll find a whole new world. Giraffes wander gracefully, elephants roam in increasing numbers, and buffalo herds dominate the landscape. Did you know? Just a few decades ago, elephants were a rare sight here. Today, thanks to conservation efforts, their numbers have soared to over 8,000. If you think the Serengeti is all about the open plains, think again. The riverine forests are teeming with life. Monkeys swing through the trees, elusive leopards lurk in the shadows, and the mighty Grumeti River is home to some of the largest crocodiles in Africa. Beneath the feet of the mighty beasts lies an entire world of creatures often overlooked: reptiles, amphibians, and insects. Monitor lizards, pythons, and even fish that can survive without water. And let's not forget the unsung heroes, the dung beetles. Without them, the Serengeti would be buried under tons of animal waste. Nature always finds balance. So, what makes the Serengeti so unique? The answer lies in its landscape. A perfect blend of grassy plains, woodlands, and riverine forests creates an ecosystem unlike any other. This incredible diversity is what allows such a staggering variety of life to thrive here. From the smallest ants to the mightiest lions, the Serengeti is a masterpiece of nature. It's a place where life moves in harmony, a testament to the raw beauty of the wild. So, next time you think of the Serengeti, remember, it's not just about the Great Migration and the Big Five. It's a world of wild wonder waiting to be explored. If you love this journey through the Serengeti, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures into the wild wonders of Africa.